Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Ifan Natasha binti Muhammad Rosli. My number entry is I183034002. Today, I will present in Chapter 6 is Foundation of Business Intelligence Database and Information Management. In Subtopic 6.2, what are the major capabilities of Database Management System (DBMS) and why is a relational DBMS so powerful? So, we look for first slide is Database Management System. Is software that permits an organization to synthesize data, manage them efficiently, and provide access. The DBMS acts as an interface between application program and physical data files. The DBMS relieves that programmer and end user from the task or understanding where and how the data are actually stored by separating the logical and physical data. Logical view as a present data which is perceived by end user or businesses specialized. Physical views show as how data are actually organized and structured on physical storage media. The database management software makes the physical database available for different illustrated logical views required by users. Next is in same point database management system in point A, how a DBMS solves the problem of the traditional file environment. Okay, first, a DBMS reduce data redundancy and inconsistency by minimizing isolated files in same data. The DBMS may not able to organizations to eliminate data redundancy entirely, but it will control redundancy data. The DBMS also can help the organizations ensure that every occurrence of redundant data has same values. The DBMS enables the organization to centrally manage data and use and security. Next, point B, relational DBMS. Is contemporary DBMS use different database model to keep track to entities, attributes, and relationships. The most popular type of DBMS today for PCs as well as for larger computers and mainframe is called as relational DBMS. Relational database represent data as two-dimensional tables. In other words, is referred to a files, and each table contains data on entity and its attributes. Rows are commonly referred to as record or technical terms and called as tuples. Key field. Supplier number in the supplier for record any data, any updated or sorted. Primary key. Each data in a relational database has one file. Foreign key. Supplier number in the part. Next, point C. In the same point, operations of a relational DBMS. Relational database table can be combined easily to deliver data required by users. The joint operation combine relational tables to provide the user with more information than is available in individual tables. The project operation creates a subset consisting of columns in table, permitting the user to create new table and that contain only the information required. Okay, next in point 2, capabilities of database management system. A DBMS include capabilities and tools for organizing, managing, and accessing the data in database. The most important is data definition language, data dictionary, and data manipulation language. DBMS also have a data definition capability to specify the structure of the content of the database. A data dictionary is an automated or manual file that stores definition of data elements and their characteristics. Microsoft Excel has a rudimentary data dictionary capability that displays information about the name, descriptions, size, type, and format. Data dictionaries for large corporate databases may capture additional information such as usage and ownerships. In point 2 is first A. Querying and reporting. Data manipulation language that uses to add, change, delete, and retrieve the data and the database. This language contains commands that permit end users and programming specialized to extract data for the database for certified information requests. It's called Structured Query Language, or for short form is SQL. Next is number 3, designing database. The database requires both a conceptual design and a physical design. The conceptual or logical design of a database is an abstract model of a database from a business perspective. In point same 3 is A. Normalization and entity relationships diagrams. First, the conceptual database design describes how the data elements in the database are to be grouped. 2. The design process identifies relationships among data elements and the most efficient way grouping data elements together to meet business information requirements. 3. Normalization is the process of creating small, stable, yet flexible, and adaptive data structure from complex groups of data. 4. Relational database systems try to enforce referential integrity rules to ensure that relationships between coupled tables remain consistent. Database designers document their data model with an entity relationship diagrams. 4. Non-relational database and database in the cloud. Non-relational database management system use more flexible data model and design for management large data to set across many distributed machines and for easily scaling up or down. Useful for accelerating simple queries against large volume of structured and unstructured data. 4. In the same point 4 is a cloud database. Database is a cloud-based relational database service based on Microsoft SQL Server DBMS. Cloud database data management service have special appeal for web-focused startups. To public cloud-based data management service, companies now must have the option of using database in private cloud. That's all for me today. Thank you.